Hi there, it's Christos again with Lowcountry Contractors. We're over here in Mount Pleasant today at one of our interior projects where we'll actually be coming out and later doing some exterior work. But for the time being, I wanted to come in and show you all what we're up to. So you can see we've already gone ahead and replaced the handrail they had existing before. We've narrowed down a stain color as well that will bring out some of the lighter tones of the existing floor as well as some of the darker tones throughout the rest of the house. So we're also redoing one of their upstairs bathrooms. So you can see we've already demoed out the whole entire space. We've actually removed a linen closet from the corner and we're just getting ready to set most of the tile. You can see here we've got the shower already installed with the Schluter system and we'll be onto the floor here in the next day or so. Over the next few days, we'll be finishing up these handrails with a couple different layers of stain, as well as reacclimating the handrail going down to match. And we'll be finishing up the bathroom floors, installing our vanity and shower, and should be wrapped up here pretty soon. Check back next week.